And we are live. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, November 26th. It is week 10 of the Kubernetes 117 release. We have exited code freeze and are now in code thaw. My name is Guinevere Sanger. I will be your host. Please put your name in the attendance sheet and pay attention to our code of conduct. I think that was the regular intro, so Bob, why don't you give us the enhancements update?
Not much of a change from yesterday. We're green.
Yay!
Although I need to double check on the docs PRs to be 100% certain, but I will leave that for later.
Yeah, I was meaning to follow up on those as well. So maybe we can actually just do that after this, just real quick. Then we can all be both be on the same page. Fabulous. CI signal.
Yep, we don't have any real updates from yesterday as well. I think everything is green, so there's still a couple of flags that we're tracking. There's what I'm pretty excited about is that the issue with the SIG windows that's been biting us for weeks, there's at least a PR open that's still like work in progress, but that's at least it got moving. So hopefully that like constantly red test will get fixed soon. So that's pretty exciting.
That's really awesome. I saw that in chat like late last night, and I felt terrible for never following up on the original thread. But I'm really glad there's movement there. Let me know if I can hunt down some more folks, but it sounds like
it feels to be on a track right now. So
yeah, cool. Yeah. That was my bad. I just didn't. I read it and then I put it somewhere. And I never saw it again. Sometimes I wish Slack would just like know when I've read something but not done anything about it. That'd be an awesome feature. Anyway, thanks.
Gmail does it actually. Like Gmail, if you don't reply after a few days, it actually tells you. So yeah.
It does. Half the time I'm annoyed about it.
That's true, yeah.
I guess there's no good solutions. Okay, that sounds fantastic. Thanks, Elena. Bug triage.
I don't know what to say. I think everything's good. We have 6 PRs, 2 issues. They're both critical urgent issues, and we have 1 critical urgent PR, 2 important soon PRs. So everything seems to be kind of taking care of itself right now.
Okay.
But we're monitoring. And
yeah. Which one? So all of those PRs are still in the milestone, of course.
Yep.
And they have SIG backing and communication as in, yes, this needs to be in 117.
No, I don't think we've had direct communication with the PR holders. I mean, at some point when we started removing everything, if they've been added, we can do that. We should do that.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure that people aren't just being like, I'll just add the milestone, I guess. Just verifying. They're bugs, so that it would be great to fix bugs for 117. But if people are putting unrelated bugs on the milestone or something like that, we don't really want to. You want to make sure that they're all related.
Okay.
So yes, the what's the word? I'm missing a word. We should with preference treat bugs. We should treat bugs with preference, as in like we should be biased towards keeping them in 117. This isn't about like your work is getting kicked out. This is more like just following up and making sure that it is relevant.
Okay, so we will today communicate with all of the open PRs, the 6 open PRs and issues, and verify that their work is essential for 1.17.
Yeah.
And if it's not essential, we will request that they move out of the milestone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think you'd need to request anything at that point. You just, just ask them, hey, do you really need this? And most of the time when people are like, oh, whoops, no, my bad, they'll,
Okay.
it'll be obvious what to do, I think.
Okay.
Am I being too unclear? You look confused. I'm sorry.
No, I think it's clear. We're just going to let them know that where we've already done RC0 for 1.17, right now we're cherry picking. So if you want to submit the cherry pick application for this bug, you can. Otherwise, well, it has to be moved out of the milestone if you're not going to cherry pick.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yep. And we do want to fix essential bugs. So like that should be the priority.
Okay.
Awesome. Are there any questions for bug triage from bug triage? Comments?
I think we're okay for questions, if anybody. All right. Awesome. Thanks.
Cool. Thank you. Let me know if I can help with tracking down those PRs, putting my voice on them as well. And from Docs, is there anyone from Docs team here? All right, Damini has a conflict, and
Well, I did track down, there's only one enhancement that does not have the docs merged yet.
okay.
One looks good, the other needs to be rebased against 117 dev branch.
So there's two?
There's two, both related to the in-tree storage plugin.
One
Sorry.
enhancement.
One enhancement, two PRs.
Gotcha. Okay, very cool. Let's ping Damini on those, and yeah, if you could actually do me a favor and put those two links in the doc, in the agenda. Thank you, Bob. Right, I also heard exciting updates from release notes in that we have a known issues PR. Oh, sorry, I think, sorry, Chris is late, so no big update outside of the known issues. Oh, I guess I just gave Chris's update. We have known issues. Hooray. Let me go ahead and put that link into the doc. Awesome. Cool. Next, comms.
Hi, Karen here, Calm Shadow. Not much of an update. We're still green, and we'll be picking our three major updates that we want to have blogs for. So we'll be picking that and then reaching out to the SIGs today for content. That's it. Thank you.
Awesome. I noticed we don't really have a note taker, so if you could just briefly make a recap and put that on the comms template. That would be awesome.
I think I did. Maybe.
Oh no, never mind. I put it in the wrong place. I'm looking at entirely the wrong place. Thank you so much. I'm sure. Thank you, Karen. Any questions for comms? All right. Cool. Release branch management. We might not have someone from release branch because apparently they're having a DevOps dinner in Berlin. DevOps days, conferences, whatever. People shouldn't attend conferences. It's just the worst. Emeritus lead.
Yeah, my update for the day is I created the issue for assembling the 118 release team. So all leads, this is just a friendly reminder to nominate your successor in that issue. And just to clarify, this issue is only for role leads. Once role leads are nominated, there will be a follow-up shadow application like normal.
I have a question. Is the
Yes.
process exactly the same for the overall release team lead? Or is there some other ritual involved?
So it's relatively similar. I would say like once you pick your successor, you can just call them out in that issue. And then that is, like, to my knowledge, that's how release leads past have done it.
That's what I was thinking, but we were all right. Very cool. Very cool. Excellent. Thank you. So everyone, put your successor in that doc. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck on the release team forever. That's the rule. Awesome. My updates. I don't have any updates. I'm basically on vacation. This is all I'm doing these 3 days. So I have no updates. Six scalability update. We had that yesterday. Open discussion. This is just a brief stand-up. Does anyone have concerns? No? Hi, Tim. All right. With that, I am going to end I'm going to end the recording. Stop recording. Yeah.